What's up, guys? It's Logan. So I'm back with another video today, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys all of the different products that I basically own, whether it's the wash with, whether it's the style, whether it's the oil, whatever it is. Basically, I'm just going to be showing you guys all of my go-to products that I like to use. I get this question I've often just, you know what I'm saying, hey, what's the best shampoo, or you know what I'm saying, whatever it is. And so I just basically wanted to come and show you guys all of my products that I like to use. So if you guys want to see that, continue watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace. Alright guys, so I'm just going to show you this in a natural order that I would naturally do this in. So obviously if I got ready to retwist my locks, I will first have to wash my locks. And when it comes to shampoos, I like to use the Tresemme Breakage Defense. I don't really have a reason as to why I use this shampoo. Personally, I feel like you can use any type of shampoo. So I don't want you guys to think that you have to get this, but this is a great shampoo. And yeah, I think you can get any type of shampoo because it's just soap. I think the most important thing is the conditioner and the oils that you put back into your locks. So yeah, if you guys want to get this shampoo, then go ahead, but I don't think it's necessary that you have to get this shampoo. Whatever shampoo you already use is probably good enough. Then though, once I get to my conditioner, I do like to use this specific Tresemme conditioner. This one is the Luxurious Moisture, and I like to use any type of conditioner that has moisture on the title, just because I feel like since we have natural hair, we kind of want to put a lot of moisture into it, and I think everything should have moisture on it. So this is a specific conditioner that I like to use. After this conditioner, if you guys have seen the way that I condition my locks, and I may do a video on that as well, but I basically like to mix in a lot of different conditioners. So what I like to use as well is the Tea Tree Mint conditioner, and this one is from the Organics brand. But it's the Tea Tree Mint conditioner, and it's pretty good as well. It helps with hydration as well. This is something else that says moisture and hydration. So again, that's a pretty good one. And then I like to mix in as well the Brazilian Keratin Therapy. And this one is just for coconut oil. It's supposed to help with I believe the shine and the strength of your hair. Soften, yeah, luxurious glow, different things like that. So yeah, I like to mix in all three of those different conditioners. And again, one of the main things that I think that you should look for when you're looking for a conditioner is going to be just the fact that it says moisture on the title. So yeah, if you're going to be looking for conditioners, I would definitely try one of those. So after that, I like to go ahead and oil my locks. Any type of oils, I like to just use all of my essential oils. And I add all of my different essential oils into a bottle. I have my sweet almond oil, my castor oil, my KE essentials oil. So basically, I just use different types of oils, and I'll just add them all into a bottle, and I'll just use this mixture of oils. I also have coconut oil. I also have carrot oil. So I'll just add them all inside of a bottle, and I'll just use my bottle of oil, and I'll add my bottle of oil to my bottle of spray water. So then I'll just go through my locks, and I'll just spray my locks all over with the oil and water, and I'll just mix it in. And then I just go ahead and spray it all over my locks so that I know that the water and oil is just saturating my entire head. All right, so the next thing I like to use is going to be the As I Am Leave-In Conditioner. I've been using this for years, guys. Right after I finish oiling my locks, I'll retwist my locks with this As I Am Leave-In Conditioner. Since you can leave it in, I'll just literally retwist my hair with it. I'll pour it on the back of my hand, or I'll pour a lot of it on the sink. And I'll basically just use a finger, and I'll dip into it and retwist each individual lock with a little bit of the As I Am Leave-In Conditioner. Along with the water and oils that I've just put into my locks, mixed with the As I Am Leave-In Conditioner, to me, it makes for the best solution to retwist your locks. I've literally been using this for years, and I've only had to buy 2 bottles of this. So but then again, I don't retwist my hair often, so maybe that's why. But, and I've had my locks for a very long time, as you guys know. So the fact that I've only bought 2 bottles of this, and then I still have a lot, you know what I'm saying? But it takes enough. It takes a lot to kind of retwist your entire head, but at the same time, I just really haven't used a lot of this. So I really think that this is a perfect product. It does hold my locks a lot. It isn't very, very sticky, so it doesn't necessarily get you those perfect parts that a lot of people want, but it is just a sticky enough substance for my texture hair to be able to be retwisted. I personally don't like for my hair to be perfectly parted, you know what I'm saying? I use gel on my locks. It does leave a little bit of fly hairs, but not much. I'll show you guys basically how my locks look whenever I finish retwisting them. If you guys do want for your locks to look like they have just been retwisted and have those perfect parts and have that gel look, but not necessarily have to use gel or not necessarily have to use wax, I will also suggest that you use the My Joy grease. I'm going to put a picture of it because I don't necessarily know the whole name, but I think it's called My Joy, but I'm definitely going to get a link for it. And I'm going to post it right here on this video for you guys to see after I finish editing this video. But I basically like to use the As I Am leave-in conditioner just because it pretty much holds your hair pretty good and it'll have your hair retwisted for a pretty long time. It's like any other gel once it's mixed in with the oils and the natural oils in the water. So I like to use this. This is my favorite thing. I'm just going to keep rambling on about this because I really, really like this. Something else that I would say about the As I Am leave-in conditioner is that it doesn't flake up on you. I've used a lot of other products where like if you use too much of the product, it'll begin to flake up on you after a while. And the thing that I can say about this one is if you use too much, it'll only just like ooze out of your locks, and you'll be able to tell like looking at specific locks, oh, maybe I used too much of the As I Am, because you'll see it kind of oozing out of the locks. But besides that, it never begins to flake up on you. And that's just something that I prefer because I think the flake, like whenever it flakes up on you, it starts to look like dandruff. So after I finish retwisting my entire head, I'll then go in with my Got To Be Free spray. And I bought this spray a while back just for a YouTube video, so I just had it, and it's just like holding spray. And I'll just spray my roots real lightly, basically, and then I'll just go ahead and add some water and oil on top of that. But not too much to where it's unraveling, but just enough just so that it will like make this Got To Be Free spray kind of seep in. I'll obviously tie my hair down or sit under a dryer and let it dry. But I'll just spray my Got To Be Free spray, and then I'll spray my water and oil on top of that. And that's pretty much all of the products that I like to use whenever I retwist my hair, whenever I'm styling my locks. I hope this video is very informative for you guys. I hope you guys really can use this information and go and try it and let me know how it works for you. In the meantime, I will see you guys in my next video, and peace.